If I ask you that, what's the most important factor to get more views on YouTube? Then I may get mixed answers like thumbnail, title, engagement, editing, and many such answers. Well, that's right too. But today, I am going to tell you another major thing that brings you more views. Title, thumbnails, and editing are important, but it's all secondary matter. The first thing is to select the topic of the video. In this video, I will tell you how to find that topic and what methods I use to search topics. Let me tell you the importance of selecting a good topic for your video. Let's assume that you have made the best thumbnail and the best editing for your video. But if you have selected the bad topic, which is not at all adding the value to your viewers, then it's useless. So, make sure that you select the best topic. And remember that the topic always stands first in bringing millions of views to your videos. Now let's discuss how to select the topic. There are two categories in selecting the topics. Firstly, the evergreen topic and the trending topics. Evergreen topic brings you lifetime views, and trending topics brings the views only until the topic is trending. It's left to you on what basis you make the videos, but remember that whichever topic you select, make sure that you select the best topic in your niche. So, how to find the topics for videos? The first point is to snatch the topics from different creators. You still don't know that many creators are doing this and getting successful. If you have been suggested any video or your competitors are making videos on some topics, means you have to try making videos on that same topic. Copying is wrong, but at the same time, getting inspired is not wrong. So get inspired by big creators and by your competitors. Try making the same topic which has got millions of views on their channel in different ways and in your style. In my perspective, try learning from each and every video of your competitors and make it in a different way. After getting an idea, note it down in a paper. Afterwards, you can also get some different ideas seeing the same topic. If you are going for trending topics, then go for the search button and enter some 2 to 3 words of your topic. Then YouTube personally suggests you the trending topics on those words. The list which you are seeing here are the keywords which people are searching for most. So you can take the ideas from here also. And the next way to take ideas is the VidIQ application. I have been telling you about its importance. It suggests the trending topics and searchable topics which have low competition. You can go to the idea section and daily you can find 3 new ideas for free. These ideas will be related to your channel. If you want, then you can save the ideas, otherwise discard it. These are the 3 important places where you can see plenty of topics related to your videos. There are also many other ways to get ideas about topic, like ask your viewers what type of content they want, and you can create your own ideas. So coming to the point, how I take my videos ideas. The videos which you are seeing in my channel are almost my own ideas. Some may be suggested by VidIQ application, and some I get inspired, but almost in many situations I think of myself. So guys, this was today's video. If you feel that the topic plays a very important role, then this video might have been very useful for you. And before ending the video, please do subscribe to the channel. I have been getting comments like you deserve more views, and the videos are crazy. All I say is thank you for support, and if you think so, then please do share the video maximum. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.